Hi everyone, Dr. Katie here, and today, October 1st, 2021, is National Manufacturing Day. I'm here at Don's Machine Shop in West Pittston to salute all manufacturers who started their journeys on the Johnson College campus, in our labs, or at one of our industry partner locations like this one. Over the past year and a half, our nation discovered what we have always known, that the industries to which we supply students are essential locally, nationally, and globally. Manufacturing is one of those industries. It's one of the largest economic sectors in Luzerne and Lackawanna counties and one of the top 5 employers in northeastern PA. Its highly educated and technically trained workers create and test tools and parts that are then mass-produced through its manufacturing lines. These manufactured assets become the foundations in which other industries and our economy are built. On this National Manufacturing Day, Johnson College recognizes every manufacturer who drives this essential sector of our economy and thanks them for making us a nation of builders of world-class products. Thank you to Don's Machine Shop for helping us celebrate this day with them here in West Pittston, and thank you to all of our students and alumni that work in this essential industry. You fuel our economy, and we are grateful. I hope you take a moment to recognize the positive impact you have on all of our lives. Thank you.